You want some Cheerios? Oh, the Cheerios is good. Just can't get enough, okay? Chill out, chill out.
Oh, yeah.
He loves his Cheerios. Don't grab it, don't grab it. Ah.
That's awesome.
Music got it all
yes,
over.
Big Jane.
Is it good? Oh yeah? Whoa, whoa. I gotta fill the spoon up. You're gonna... There you go. Okay, no, there's no more on the spoon. It doesn't just come out of the spoon. You gotta get it out of the bowl. Give me the spoon back. Good boy. Oh, let go. Is that a good spoon? You want some more Cheerios? Give mommy the spoon. Good boy. Ready? Is that good? Ready? You love them Cheerios, don't ya? Hey, your oats. Yeah, your oats. Oh, careful, don't stick it down your throat. Mommy's gotta get more on the spoon. It doesn't just come out of the spoon, Jade. You gotta get it out of the bowl. Here, give mommy the spoon. Good boy. I'm gonna have to make another bowl. You wasted half of it. Oh, 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 oh. Your bib's in the way. There you go. There's more oats. Hey, your Cheerios. Let go of the spoon, Jade. You need to give me back the spoon so I can feed you. It's okay, it's coming, it's coming. Oh, you almost got it in